Check out this 2008 Nissan Titan. This Titan has just under 50,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 on the highway. This Titan boasts a 5.6-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, HomeLink system, driver airbag and parking sensors. Call 803-407-5678 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.